Elaine Silverberg, a 73-year-old widow from New York, has spent 13 years battling JPMorgan Chase for the pension her late husband, Melvyn Silverberg, earned while working as a systems analyst at Chase Manhattan Bank. Melvyn, who tragically passed away in 1988 at the age of 43, had worked for the bank for a decade before his death. Despite the bank's large profits, $12.9 billion last quarter, JP Morgan has denied Elaine the pension, claiming she lacks the necessary documentation. The pension, which was originally valued at $331 per month, has remained unpaid for over 35 years and has now grown to $53. JPMorgan's refusal to release the funds centers around the bank's claim that Melvyn did not complete a required form to designate Elaine as his beneficiary upon his death. Elaine insists that she never received any letters from the bank about this form, and she has been left to navigate this complex and emotionally draining fight on her own. JPMorgan Chase has maintained that it cannot make exceptions to its pension rules. Despite Elaine's plight, a bank spokesperson stated, "While we sympathize with Mrs. Silverberg, she is asking us to pay without necessary documentation. We follow the terms of our pension plan." However, this stance has led Elaine to express her frustration, stating that the bank has treated me like an insignificant cockroach just to be stepped on. She also suggested that if JPMorgan's CEO, Jamie Dimon, were aware of her situation, he would want to do the right thing and honor the pension. Elaine's case is a stark reminder of the importance of thorough estate planning. While Melvyn would have been entitled to designate Elaine as a beneficiary, he left the bank before the 1984 Retirement Equity Act was passed. This law, part of the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, ERISA, ensures that spouses are automatically entitled to survivor benefits from pension plans. Since Melvyn left before this legislation, Elaine is not automatically entitled to the pension, and the lack of documentation has complicated the situation further. Elaine's struggle highlights the importance of clear and accurate estate planning, which includes ensuring that all necessary forms are filled out and that beneficiaries are properly designated. According to a 2024 Caring.com survey, only 32% of Americans have a will, emphasizing the need for proactive planning. Estate experts recommend that everyone over the age of 18 have an estate plan, and that beneficiaries' information be clearly outlined to avoid future legal battles like Elaine's. Regularly reviewing and updating beneficiary information is crucial for safeguarding one's financial future and that of loved ones.